Make sure the baskets are full before you take them to the truck.
Yes, we are almost done with this row.
In the quiet heart of the winery, massive steel vats ferment the wine amidst the centuries-old stonework, a perfect blend of history and innovation.
To the harvest, to the wine, stomp, stomp, everyone.
The vibrant ruby red grape juice, fresh from the press, flows rapidly through the pristine channels towards fermentation.
Driven by the relentless energy of the yeast, this living cap of skins bubbles and shifts, a microcosm of the winemaking process. A microscopic view reveals the secret life of yeast. As they metabolize the sugar, they release tiny bursts of carbon dioxide.
In the pump-over process, the red wine is pumped from the bottom of the tank, cascading over the floating skins.
Here, in the Temple of Wine, endless rows of oak barrels stretch.
Using the glass pipette, or wine thief, she draws a sample, a critical step in monitoring the wine's evolution.
The patina tells a story of decades, perhaps centuries.
The chalk markings clearly identify the contents. Cabernet Sauvignon, laid down in October of 2022.
It has a beautiful depth, but the acidity is still quite pronounced.
Yes, it certainly needs more time. The structure is there, though.
Yeah.
From sterilization to filling and capping, this high-speed line operates with a quiet efficiency that defines modern manufacturing.
Here, precision meets scale. Thousands of pristine bottles, moving in perfect...
The bottling line operates with absolute precision. The cork is rapidly compressed and then thrust deep into the neck.
The natural cork stopper, seen here in extreme macro detail, provides the perfect seal for the aging wine.
The sophisticated machinery applies the delicate paper labels with absolute precision, a flawless execution of modern engineering.
As the dust clears, the true age of this rare vintage is finally revealed.
As the wine hits the searing pan, the alcohol vaporizes and ignites.
To friendship and many more nights like this one.
Cheers!
As the wine bleeds outward, the linen captures not just the spill, but the very memory of the moment.
The shift from the vibrant green of summer to the golden hues of autumn is a dramatic display of nature's cycle.